You may be working with lower audio and you want to be able to see the waveform a little easier in Camtasia. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to increase the waveform. Hello friend, my name is Ron from CamMastery.com, where you can go to learn how to make great videos with Camtasia. In recent versions of Camtasia, the audio sits at the bottom of a track and we see these mountain peaks. But in previous versions of Camtasia, what they used to do is mirror the waveform, and I want to show you how to enable that in these later versions of Camtasia. If we go over to Camtasia, we can go up to Edit and down to Preferences. Notice we can also use Control Comma. Here in the Program tab, I can click the checkbox for Mirror Waveform. After clicking OK, now when I see it here at the bottom, the waveform is in the middle of the track instead of being at the bottom of the track. And if I zoom in here, you can see that it's easier to find those places where there's silence or there's very little speaking. If I go back and choose Preferences again, going to the Program tab and unchecking this box, clicking OK, then I can see again that it just puts that waveform here at the bottom. So you choose which one is easier for you to view. Is it better to see those spikes at the bottom, or is it better to put the waveform in the middle of the track and then see those spikes go in two directions rather than one? Choose what's best for you.